Transferring money from Bendigo Bank to another bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Access Bendigo Bank's online banking platform using your computer or mobile device. Then, look for a section related to payments, transfers, or transactions. This might be labeled differently depending on the online banking interface. Now, choose the type of transfer you want to make. Typically, you'll be making a domestic transfer or an external transfer. Provide the necessary details of the recipient, including their name, bank name, BSB number or bank state branch number, and account number. Specify the amount you want to send. Now, select the Bendigo bank account from which you want to transfer the money. After that, review all the details of the transaction to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction when you're satisfied.